A good tool for both upholstery work and upholstery repair is the webbing stretcher. And this is one version. There are other ones that look a little bit different, but it's got these very sharp teeth, and I'm going to show you how it's used right now. In this particular upholstery project, the springs didn't need to be retied, but since the old webbing was rotting and moldy, we decided to replace it with new. With the position of the webbing determined by the location of the springs, the new webbing is stretched in one direction first. To use the stretcher, you'll set those sharp teeth across the width of the webbing and pull it tight. You don't want it to be too tight, but you can gauge the tightness by the tone it makes when you flick it with your finger. If you hear wood cracking, it's definitely too tight. Once you have it where you want it, you just staple across the width, cut it, then fold it over and staple it again. You want to keep your finished webbing about a ½ inch away from the edge of the wood, as you see here. The position of the perpendicular webbing is also determined by the location of the springs. Here is a good place to mention one way to minimize waste of materials. As you're using the webbing off the roll, always leave one end attached. In other words, only cut the second end after you've stretched and stapled it on. For this particular project, the springs will be reattached to the new webbing with the springs positioned over the intersections of the two directions of webbing.